Hello everyone, I'm Adreja. Welcome back to my study room. This is a quiz on preposition of time: in, on and at. So let's begin. Question 1. The correct answer is option C, in. I was born in 2007. Question 2. The correct answer is option A, at. The train arrives at 5 p.m. Question 3. The correct answer is B, on. Do you go to school on Saturday? Question 4. The correct answer is option C, in. My birthday is in November. Question 5. The correct answer is option A, at. I get up at 8 o'clock. Question 6. The correct answer is option B, on. We sing the national anthem on Independence Day. Question 7. The correct answer, option B, on. She was born on March 11th. Question 8. The correct answer is option C, in. I go for a walk in the evening. Question 9. The correct answer is option A, at. My father reached home at midnight. Question 10. The correct answer is option C, in. I love playing cricket in summer. So that's all for today. Let me know your test results in the comment box below. Thank you.